मैं एक RO हाउसिंग और RO मेम्ब्रेन फ्लिपकार्ट से मंगवाया हूँ and the seller is so Pavitra Medical. Wow, great. Medicals also selling this Pavitra Medical. Let us see this event. Medicals maintaining doing ethical business or fraud business. If it is original as mentioned 80 GPD, they have shown photo of 75 GPD, but they have mentioned 80 GPD, and I did not purchase even in very less price, because if I purchase in 300 rupees, he cannot give both. But if I purchase in 600, 700, so they should sell original genuine product. Actually 80 GPD is reasonable for this Wontran 80 GPD product actually. So from where I should open this? So I think here it is. From here also I can open this. Okay. It should be so it is important. So reverse osmosis element Aquanza. So it is cheating. They have shown Wontran 80 GPD, but he has sent Aquanza. So it is cheating. These again duplicate very ordinary product, 300 rupees, but they will purchase this for only 100 rupees. It is all duplicate waste product. It won't work, waste product. And he has sent 100 GPD. I ordered only 80 GPD product, and why the sellers are doing this fraud business, I can't understand.